election is still a month and a half away, and the news has been intense. Thankfully, you have WCRB when you need to escape from all that. The fact that we are a listener-supported radio station means that we can continue to be your respite. We're here for you, playing the music you love, and we're doing it without the long pledge drive this time, which makes your contribution now so important. Please make a gift right now at 888-995-9272 or give online at classicalwcrb.org.
Thank you so much if you've made your contribution so far this hour, like Jane in North Reading. Thank you so much for your gift of support. Also, Robert in Providence, Rhode Island. Thank you. This is how it works. It works call by call and contribution by contribution, coming together to support all the listening we all do here on WCRB. 888-995-9272. Make your gift of support now. Help us reach this hour's goal. You can also give online at classicalwcrb.org.
Maeve was just telling me that her earphones right now have this long cord that's getting in her way. Well, you know, our wireless earbuds that we are offering as a thank you gift for your gift of $10 a month, they're $120 all at once, have no cord. You don't need to bother with the cable at all. They are Bluetooth enabled, and they work with your phone, your tablet, or any Bluetooth enabled device. They're comfortable, easy to use, they sound great, and they play WCRB anytime you want. Sign up as a sustaining member at $10 a month. Ask for the wireless earbuds. You can also give $120 all at once, and the deadline to get those is 7 o'clock tonight. 888-995-9272 or give online at classicalwcrb.org. Here's some music you can listen to on your speakers, on your earbuds, on your phone, any way you like. It's Mabel's Serenade by Benjamin Godard. We'll hear the Chamber Orchestra of Waterloo with Ulysses Waterloo.